Hi everyone, it's John here again. I've heard on the internet of recycling old oil through a piece of cloth. What I got here is just an old cloth mask. It's worn out, it's had it. And I've got some old oil that came out of a lawnmower. And just need to pour the thing in, and hopefully it should filter out most of the muck. So hopefully that might take a little bit of time to start dripping through. Take a little bit of time than what I first thought. This was just a little thing that I heard about on the Great Grapevine that it's starting to drop down, so hopefully it might start passing through shortly. Oh, here we go, it's coming through. Appears to be a little bit better. Yeah, it's a little bit clearer. Going by the way it's coming out, it probably can't be used for motor oil ever again, or even for small motors, but you know, by the quality it'll probably be okay for, say, secateurs or scissors or door hinges. That'll probably take a while for it to filter through, but as you can see, it's passing through very slowly. Might take a half an hour or so to actually do it. Just chop it up a little bit more, might be able to get the it's going to take time, but yeah, I'm not too sure if you can actually see it. It seems to be a little bit clearer. All these, some of the muck's coming through. It's getting filtered out. Yeah, it's taken a little bit slower than what I first thought, but it appears to be a little bit better. Yeah, anyway, I'll just give a final report in the notes to see how everything's going after everything's finally dripped through. I hope you find this to be helpful, and hope to hear from you soon. Bye for now.